I will say these Total Flow mini race mufflers, I mean, they completely destroyed the rasp out of my system. This car is no longer raspy at all. It did lose quite a bit of volume though, I will say. Definitely granny shifting that because I got a fucking camera in the way. But honestly, I guess I'm kind of liking the mufflers because before I really had to watch out where I did pulls with this thing because it was very loud and kind of raspy. We'll see if I like it, if I can live with it. It's definitely a bit more stealth while still sounding pretty motorsport. So, I don't know, maybe I'll ask my friends, see what they think. But anyways, thanks for joining. Have a good one.